Good morning, first graders. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. Today is Michaela's birthday. And let's wish Amar a happy belated birthday as well. His was on April 10th. It was so fun to connect with so many of you on WebEx yesterday. Be sure to come hang out with me and your classmates from 11:30 until 12 o'clock today. If you have math with Mrs. Stewart and Mrs. Zimmerman, you have class today at 10:30. I hope to see all of you today at 11:30. Love, Miss Rimride. Now for the greeting today, you're going to learn how to do a turkey high five. Then I want you to find somebody at home that you can do it with. So you're going to need to put up a 5, and this is going to be like the tail feathers of a turkey. And then somebody else is going to give you a fist bump with their thumb sticking out so that it's like the head of the turkey. Okay, so find somebody to give that greeting to, the turkey high five, and then you can comment below and share what your favorite lessons are to do at home and tell us why. And then before you start your learning today, I want you to try doing 15 sit-ups. Have fun, and I can't wait to hear about what your favorite lessons are.